Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you 6 easy hairstyles that you can do when traveling. And yes, when I filmed this video, I was actually on the road traveling with my family. And these are just easy go-to hairstyles for me because they just work when you're traveling. And this first one is curling your hair, which I know probably sounds really weird. Why would you want to curl your hair and like have it all done? But rocking the wavy, like messy curls during traveling is, I feel like, the easiest way to style your hair when traveling, because whether your hair gets messed up when you're in the plane or when you're driving on a road trip, like you can kind of just zhuzh up your hair, like kind of just shake it out and rock the messy curls, and it looks like really cute and put together, and also has kind of this bohemian vibe to it, and I absolutely love it. So that's why my first hairstyle is curling your hair, and I just used a curling wand to create these messy curls in my hair. Hairstyle number 2, you're gonna need a hat, any kind of baseball hat, and this is when your hair is just too messy, you just can't save it. So just throw on a baseball hat and tie your hair into a low messy bun, and then if you have like some layers or your bangs sticking out like this on the side, it just looks super cute. This is one of my favorites. I love it. Now moving on to hairstyle number 3, again we're going to use a hat. So this is if you're just having a bad hair day and you can't rock the messy curls this day. Just throw on your baseball hat to cover up, you know, the dirty roots or whatever it may be, and then split your hair into 2 and just create 2 simple braids on the side. And if you have longer hair, this is gonna look way cuter, but my hair is pretty short, so this is as much as I can braid, but it's still a super quick and easy and cute hairstyle that you can rock while traveling. Now, you guys already know hairstyle number 4 is one of my favorites, which is doing kind of this half up, half down hairdo, and I think it looks so awesome with curls. So say you did the first hairstyle and you have these curls, but your roots are just looking a little greasy or messy, or you just want it to look a little more put together and cute. This is just an easy go-to because I think if you have the texture in your hair, it gives you a styled look, but then if you want to just hide the messy roots, there you go, or the greasy roots, whatever it may be, you just tie it up like that and you are good to go. I love this hairstyle. Another way to style your hair if your curls are just looking a little messy, all of these hairstyles really revolve around curling your hair first. So really use that first hairstyle to complete the rest of these as well. But you can just easily and quickly twist your bangs back, like the front of your hair. Even if you don't have bangs, you can do this. Just twist your hair back and then bobby pin it into place, and you look more put together. So if you just like wake up on your road trip and you're looking like kind of crazy, just do this really quickly before you step out of the car, and it's going to give you a more polished look. So finally, for this last hairstyle, I thought I'd try something a little fun and different. So again, if you're just trying to get the hair on like your roots, like the top of your head, out of the way, you can do 2 little mini space buns. All you need is a few bobby pins for this. So you just want to section the hair and twist it around and then bobby pin it into place, and you have this really cute, playful, youthful type of hairstyle, and I think it's really fun. So those were all of the hairstyles in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!